Today we will continue with model addition and subtraction of mixed numbers, the 8th lesson in topic 9. And what we're going to do today, we're going to solve questions like these questions. Use each model to find the sum or difference. As you can see here, we have the question and a picture with it. And before we start, my heroes, I want to remind you about the main idea. Please everyone focus with me. And as I told you before, do not use your mics unless I call your name. Okay, let's start with a question like this one. 4 and 3/7 plus 2 and 2/7. My heroes, we used a very simple way yesterday by starting with fractions. So we will add first 3/7 and 2/7, that is 5/7. And then add 4 plus 2, it will be 6. Wow, that's it. Okay, let's do another one, and this time let's make it minus. Six and 4/5 minus 2 and 1/5. Oh, let's do the same again. Start with the fractional parts. 4/5 minus 1/5. This gives us 3/5. And what about 6 minus 2? It will be 4. 4 and 3/5. Oh, I think that it's very easy now. But we may have some problems. Let's see what we may face in our problems. We may face something like this. Look at this question.
I know how to solve it.
Oh, this one is the same. Yes, it's the same. But this time, when you try to do it, let's try to do it the same way. I will do it the same way. So, focus, my heroes. 2/3 plus 2/3, 4/3. And 3 plus 1. Oh, I have a problem. I cannot write 4/3 and write a number next to it, because 4/3 is more than whole 1. A whole 1 is 3/3. So 4/3 is a whole 1 and 1 more third. So I will replace this one with a whole 1 and a third. And I have 3 plus 1 equals 4. Oh, now 4 plus 1 equals 5. So it's 5 and third. Oh, not very good at doing this, mister. So I have another idea. What about doing it another way? And we call this way models. We will use fraction strips or number lines, but I like to use fraction strips, so I will show you something here. Okay, let's make it a little bit larger. Okay, needs to be a little bit smaller. My heroes, please focus. I will explain and I will show you the steps at the same time. Okay, let's go ahead. Let's start. We need to find 1 4/5 plus 2 3/5. Okay, what about considering this like a story? I need to model the first fraction. Oh, sorry, mixed number.
Mister, I know.
So, I said before, do not use your mics. My hero, you will get a note. Please focus with the presentation and do not use your mic. This is the first mixed number. I need a whole one and 4/5. So I will divide a whole 2/5 and take only 4/5. Let's do the same with the second mixed number. I need 2 whole and I will take 3/5. Okay, so these are the numbers that we need to add. Let's add them. How to add them? Oh, add them means use a bigger bag and put everything in the new bag. So let's take the whole numbers. Take the whole numbers. Okay. And now take the fractions. Now they are all in one bag. What can you notice? Oh, I have many fractions. I have many parts. How many parts, how many fifths do we have? We have 7.
Mister, I know. I know,
My
Mister,
hero,
the answer.
Ali, you have a note.
Okay.
So we have 7 fifths. I have an idea, since we know that a whole one is 5/5. What about taking one of these, this one, and put it here? So now these are 5/5 next to each other. I will get them near each other. So these, take them near each other. So it will be like this. They are 5. And 5/5, this is, wow, this is a whole one. I can replace it with a whole one. So simply, my heroes, write the answer. 4 2/5. Oh, pretty easy, but let's try the subtraction. Yesterday I told you that this is a star question, and today I know that many of you knows how to solve this one. My hero, you're using your mic. But this time I will ask, so please focus, my heroes. When I call your name, please answer me. Okay, this is 4B, right? Okay, yes. Abdulaziz Rouaichet.
Yes, teacher.
The first mixed number is 4 1/4. Can you tell me how to model it? How to represent it using fraction strips? Strips. Okay, I will use how many whole? It's 4 whole and 1/4. Right?
Yes.
So 4 whole, 1, 2, 3, 4, and only 1/4. Okay, now I want to ask you, Abdulaziz, a question. I want to subtract. What do we mean by subtract? Take from them or put extra?
Take from them.
Okay, so we will take away 3 3/4. Okay, thank you, Abdulaziz. And to do this, my heroes, I will use these two bags. One of them will be 3 3/4. Okay. Ala. Oh, sorry, not Ala. Ala, you have a noise. Okay, Ali Sultan. Ala, I know that you have a noise. I'm sorry. You have a noise. You cannot answer.
Yes, mister. Yes, mister. I'm Ali Sultan.
Okay. Ali Sultan with me now. I want to take away from this big bag, this one, the big one. I want to take away 3 3/4. Can you tell me what to do? Can we take 3 whole?
What?
Can we take 3 whole?
No.
No, why? I think we have 3
yeah,
whole
yeah.
already.
Yeah.
Okay, let's take 3 whole. But can we take 3/4? Oh, we cannot. Why? We don't have 3/4. We have only 1/4. Right?
Yeah.
So we cannot take 3/4. What can we do? Oh, I have an idea. What about this whole? Do you see it?
Yeah.
What about breaking it into fourths?
We will take one from it.
So break it into 4/4. Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. And take 3 of these and take them
We put
here to be the 3/4 that we need. Okay, simply my heroes, as you can see, the remaining here is these two. 1, 2. So the answer is 2/4 or
2/4
simply you can divide by 2 to get the answer half.
Mister, I don't use this model to find this question. I use that like 4 multiply 4 equals 16. 16 plus 1 equals 17. So it's 17 4. And
yes,
multiply
this is
4
also great one. Yes, you can do this. But my hero, today we are using models. Okay. Okay, my heroes, now back to the book. Okay, let's go back to the book. Where is, yes, this one. And we have the models drawn already. So what we need to do? 509. Thank you, Ali.
Welcome.
Okay, so let's start with question number 6. Ala Ghazi. Ala Ghazi. Ala. Okay, Ala, the question number 6, as you can see here, we have 2 and 4 minus 1 and 3/4. Go ahead. What is the remainder?
Why do you think?
Ala, what is your answer?
I'm here, mister.
What?
I am here.
I know that you are here. What is your answer? You can see the model here.
3/4.
Oh. Thank you, Ala. Please mute your mic. I will explain it. Thank you, Ala. Okay, everyone focus. We have 2, 1, 2. These are 2. This is a whole 1, and this is a whole 1. And here down we have 1/4. So this is 2 and 1/4. We need to cancel 1 and 3/4. So we cancel this one, and we cancel 3/4. And the question now, how many fourths do we have? What do we have left? We have these 2/4 only. So the answer is 2/4. Before I continue, any questions? Question number 6. Do you have any problems with this question?
Mister, where is the one?
I canceled the 1 because I want to cancel 1 and 3/4. Okay. You want to ask Ala?
No.
Okay, thank you. Okay, my heroes, now.
I understand.
Okay, great. Now, question number 7. This time it's plus. My heroes, it's different when you do plus or minus. It's completely different. When you do plus, you go to the right. When you do minus, you go to the left. What about the strips? When you do plus, you draw more strips. When you do minus, you cancel strips. Again? So here, this is cancel. Cancel strips. And here, we will add strips. Draw more. Here, to the right, because it's plus. And here, it's to the left, because it's minus. Okay. Now, as you can see, this is the difference. Let's erase all this. I will write only the answer here. It's 2/4. And I need help for the next question. Muhammad Yahya. Thamir. Thamir.
Yes. Yes, mister.
Okay, this is Muhammad or Thamir? Thamir.
Thamir.
Okay, Thamir. In this
Yes.
question, Thamir, we start with 1 and 2/3 on the number line. And we move to the right. How many? 2 and 2/3. What is this
One.
place? That's it.
This place is
4 and how many
4
thirds?
and 2/3.
This is the second. This is after 4 directly.
3/3.
What?
1/3.
So
On
this is
video.
4. So the answer is 4 and 1/3. Okay, thank you, my hero. Great work.
Welcome.
Muhammad Yahya, you are here because I see that you are using the mic, but I cannot hear you. Muhammad Yahya, I cannot hear you. Yes, who's this?
Ali Sultan is still opening the mic.
Ali Sultan, please mute your mic.
Mister, it's opening with itself.
Okay, thank you, Ali. Mute it. Okay, my heroes. Malik Salman.
Yes, mister.
Okay, go ahead, Malik. Question number 8. We start with 2 and 3/4. Then
Yes.
we move to the left, 1 and 3/4. So, what is the answer?
1 minute.
1 minute. Why? You can see the answer.
1.
That's it. Okay, so where is the problem? Thank you, my hero. Great work. So where is the problem when we use the number line? It's very, very easy. Okay, no, it's not that easy. You need to know how to do this number on the number line. You need to count 2/3 and 2 whole. As you can see, these are 2 whole. 1, 2. What about the thirds? We have 1/3 here and 1/3 here. Okay, the next one. We need to move to the left 1 and 3/4. So this is a whole one. And this is 3/4. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay. Now the next one. Danielle. Danielle.
Mister.
Ali, mute your mic.
Okay.
Ibrahim Jughayman.
Here, Mister.
Okay, Ibrahim, question number 9.
Number 9. 3, 6 plus 3, 6.
No. Oh, you will start with the fractions, but we are using the models. You will use this model.
Okay. Once.
Okay, use anyway. You will do what you want. You want to add 3 sectors plus 3 sixes. This is 6 sectors.
Yes.
Okay?
And 1 plus 1 equals 2.
Oh, great. So this is a whole one. And we will add to it the sum of these two. So I need to add the 2 to the 1 here that I got. So the total will be?
What you say? I didn't
again.
hear you.
Again, you said that 6 sectors is a whole one, right?
Yes.
And we have 1 plus 1, 2. So what you need to do now is to add 2
1
plus 2. It will be?
3.
Great. Can you explain it to us using the strips? So the answer is 3. I agree with you. But can you explain it using the strips? Okay, let me do this.
I will try.
Okay, try, of course.
Okay.
The first fraction is 1 and 3 sectors. So this is the 1 and 3 sectors.
3 sixths.
And the second fraction is
1 and 3 sixths.
so this is the 1 and these are the 3 sectors. When we put all of them together, we will get 1. Okay, I will use another color. This is 1. And here another 1. And here 6 sectors, which is equal to a whole 1.
1.
So it is
1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 3.
Thank you, my hero. Great work. Okay, so my heroes, when we use models, sometimes this may help us. Okay, do you know when exactly it will help you? Thamir, you're using the mic. Okay. Exactly, my heroes, you will need to use models if you have problems with renaming. As the presentation that I did, sometimes you need to rename. So you need to break a whole to a fraction, to fractions, or you need to gather the fractions to make whole. In both cases, this is renaming. Okay, my heroes, now I will send to you the link of the game. Let's go ahead and solve these questions. The first one, I need improper fraction, so I need it to be a fraction. 1 whole is 4/4, and we have here 1/4. So add these, you will get 5/4. So the correct choice here is 5/4. The next one, add the fractional parts. So it's 5/10, and then add the whole parts. It will be 8. I have 8 and 5/10 in the answers, so this is the correct choice. Any problems? Okay, let's continue with the next question. In the next question, subtract the fractional parts. 2/3 minus 1/3 is 1/3. And 3 minus 2 equals 1. That's it. So the correct choice is 1 and 1/3. The next one, start with the fractional parts. Oh, I cannot subtract 1/5 minus 4/5. What can I do? Oh, I will take this 4. I will write it here. 4 and 1/5. minus 4 and 4/5. Let's do this step by step. First, I cannot subtract 1/5 minus 4/5. So I will take the 4 and break it into 3 and 1, which is 5/5. Okay, now.
Mr. Why it's 4 minus 4? It must be 4 minus 2.
Sorry. You're right. I'm sorry. I'm just writing quickly. Thank you, my hero. Okay, so let's start subtracting first. 5/5 minus 4/5. This is 1/5. And do not forget about the 1/5 that we have here. So we have here 5/5 minus 4/5 is 1/5 and another 1/5. So 2/5. And move to the whole numbers. 3 minus 2, it's 1. Okay, again, my heroes. I cannot subtract 1/5 minus 4/5. So I will divide or break the 4 into 3 and a whole 1, which is 5/5. So I have 5/5 here and 1/5. Take away 4/5. The remaining will be 2/5. And subtract the whole numbers. 3 minus 2, it's 1. And let's do the same with the next question.
Mr. What?
Yes.
You mean that why we break 4?
Because I
But
cannot subtract 1/5 minus. Oh, this is 4. Take one whole from the 4 wholes that you have. Okay, this is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1/5. Use these as they are, and this one break it. Okay, into 5/5. 1. Okay.
And why we break it?
Because we need to take away 4/5. We don't have 4/5 to take. Like the presentation. Okay, again here. This is 1/9 minus 8/9. I cannot do this. So let's use models. I will go down. Okay, and we can use models. I use a whole 1 and 1/9. So I need to cancel 8/9. I don't have. Okay, let's break this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, another one here. This is 9/9. Let's cancel from here 8/9. When I cancel 8/9, I will cancel these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The remainder is this one and this one. So 2/9. In the last question, it's not subtract, it's add. And simply add, it will be 6 sectors. 6 sectors equal a whole 1. And 3 plus 1 equals 4. So the total is 4 plus 1, which is 5. You can use models also here. Okay.
Goodbye.
See you tomorrow and goodbye.